Hello everyone, welcome to SSC Monk. In this video, I will share all the details about this next officer batch which will help you crack all SSC and railway examination in 2026. Also in this video, I will be announcing a free gift for your preparation, so stay tuned till the end. Now understand, during preparation students face different issues and how this next officer batch is going to solve it. Let's understand it one by one. Now the first and most important issue that is faced by students is consistency. Most of the repeaters are unable to complete even 60% or 70% of their syllabus. And to solve that, we will be doing supervision. There will be daily attendance and weekly monitoring on which how many classes, how many quizzes, how many assignments you have completed. You will get a report on that matter. Second, the most important part, your assessment. Now most of the students struggles here to understand what are their actual weak areas in a particular chapter or what they are missing in that particular chapter. Now in order to solve that, in next officers batch, we are doing weekly guidance session in which chapter by chapter we will share what are the most important parts about that particular chapter, so that from the day one you will be strong in each and every chapter. Now the third and most important problem, the progress tracker. Now in order to solve this, what we have done, we will provide you fortnightly revision test. In every 15 days there will be test based on whatever has been completed in the last 15 days, and based on that we will conduct a counseling session in which we'll discuss all your weak areas and what should be done to improve in this. Now understand this, while we are solving all these three things, you are getting each and everything at one place, all the classes, whole guidance and strategy, and this will help you overcome of your distraction and keep you in track for the next 9 to 12 months to get selected in upcoming SSC and railway examinations. Now understand how your course timeline will work. Now see, your syllabus will be completed by February 2026. Each and everything through classes and fortnightly test will be covered. Then the fast track revision will start from March to April 2026, in which we will solely focus on your weak areas and we will add chapter wise test and sectional test to ensure that you are properly working on your weak areas. After that, from May onwards till your tier 1 examination, we will solely focus on full mock test and on your approach, how you are solving a question and how much time you are actually taking and how you can improve that, improve your score. We'll focus on that solely. Now all these things will ensure that you are getting a very good score in tier 1 and getting selected for tier 2. But your journey is not ending here. Your final journey is in tier 2. So for tier 2 as well, we will provide full mocks and guidance how to score the best and how to revise each and everything in a proper way, so that you are scoring a very good score and getting selected in 2026. Now understand, this next officer batch will start from 2nd of October and the course validity is 1 year or till the tier 2, whichever comes later. Now understand who will be teaching you what. See, GS course will be taught by Sakshi ma'am, who is already selected in SSC, CHSL and CGL. Your English course will be taught by Deepika ma'am, who has 4 years of teaching experience in offline coaching and she has cleared defense and SSC examinations as well. Your reasoning will be taught by Divya sir, who has already cleared SSC, CHSL, CGL, CPO and selection phase examination, and your math will be taught by me. Now I have a free gift for you. Whatever the classes I will be cover in SSC math course, these classes will be available for free in terms of live classes in SSC Monk YouTube channel. As this is my subject, I will provide it for free, and if you can't afford the course, you can check out the live classes during the live timing. I will share the timing in my Telegram channel SSC Monk official beforehand, so that you can attend the classes. Apart from this, all the classes will be available in the paid batch. Class notes, concept sheets and practice sheets will be available. Practice quizzes, tests, railway and SSC special revision series will be available in the application. Now understand this, you can enroll in this next officer batch for 2499. This is an early bird offer. After this price will be increased to 2999, and you need to use this code, that is officer 2026, while enrolling into this course. Now this course will be available in our application SimplyCrack, and you can access it through also our website, that is simplycrack. So all the very best guys. If you have any doubt, you can reach out to me and you can ask me through my Telegram channel. Get ready for the selection in 2026.